Hey, what's up? This is Eric checking in again here. I was going through my footage for this pallet wood chicken coop build that I'm doing, and I decided to make a separate video here for how to take apart a pallet because it's something that a lot of people are doing these days and they're not all making chicken coops. So here it is. In this first step here, you see that I'm running the circular saw down the ends. You could probably use even a hand saw if that's all you have, or a reciprocating saw. But yeah, I'm just taking off these end boards. They got a lot of nails in them, and even if you got the nails out, they'd still have all the nail holes. So it's easier to just cut them off of there. And you only end up losing a couple inches in the process anyway. And then I'm also cutting these three boards that I'm working on right now. I figured I could use the small wood in the chicken coop build anyway. And this step, doing it like this, makes the next step a heck of a lot easier. And that is to take the hammer and knock all these boards off. Now this happens to be a pretty soft wood here, so the nails are actually pulling through the pallet wood. That's not ideal because you end up with nail holes that are a little bit bigger. But and you see I actually cracked that one. Most of the wood though is going to be more of an oak, a hardwood like an oak or something like that. So I kind of had to rock it back and forth a little bit, hitting kind of alternating hits on either side of that center beam there just to work it loose, and then I was able to tap the nails out and pull them. Pallets aren't really made for craft people, they're made for transporting stuff, so you'll find that regardless of how you do it, they sometimes really just don't want to come apart. So I would say on average they take maybe 5 minutes, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. And you see here in these clips, every once in a while I'll break a board. I found it to be a lot easier just to work fast and break a couple things along the way, grab a couple extra pallets when I grabbed them, versus trying to work really slowly and carefully. It's just easy to plan for a little extra. So that's the process. If you have any questions, post them down below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.